So I finally found out how I can earn consistently $400 every single month. All right. Now the good thing about this is that I can even improve the amount to about 700, 800, 1,000, 2,000, or even $4,000 at the end of the month. Now, if you want to enjoy this video, please listen to the end so you can understand everything I would have to say here. All right. Now, I'm just going to go straight to the point. It is very important that you find out a way you can consistently earn or make money um, online, especially if you're into cryptos, maybe trading, maybe investing. Just even if you are investing for the long term, it's important that you find out how you can, trade or, get some little monies daily, so at the end of the month, you can have, some good amount of money in your pocket. Now, how did I even know that I can earn $400 in a month or more than that? It is because I have tried it with smaller capitals and it's working very well for me. I mean, with a very small amount of capital, I've raised it to more than that amount, and I've consistently measured my progress for about 2 months right now, and I see that this is something that is very cool. All right, so I'm going to share that with you. I've been sharing it for the past few days. I've been creating videos here, but I'm going to share that with you shortly. All right, there are many ways to earn when it comes to cryptos. I do P2P trading. I mean, you can earn good money on P2P trading also. I do staking. I recently started trading metals, and that is what I'll be talking about. All right. So I found out that there is a good amount of potential when you start trading metals. Metals is different from trading forex. All right. Now, I'm going to explain. Forex is different from metals. All right, metals involves only gold and silver, only trading gold and silver, and you can do that absolutely on the Bybit app. Most of you don't even know that you can trade gold and you can trade silver on Bybit. For the past 2 months, I've been trading gold and silver. I've done over $900, and I've been trading it with $100. At some point, I increased my capital to $400, and I could earn little amount of money depending on my lot size and understanding of the market. Now, this video is not a guaranteed income, or does not promote guaranteed income, because I would like to mention it on this video. Please and please, I can only earn as much as possible, because if you watch my videos, at least the last 20 videos, you see that I've made more videos about gold and silver. And that is because I have very broad knowledge of precious metals. I have very broad knowledge of gold. I have very broad knowledge of silver. So let me take you straight into my Bybit app. Okay, in case you don't know, you can trade gold and silver on Bybit. Bybit made it very possible to trade gold and silver. All right, there are many ways to earn on Bybit. I earn on P2P. I do P2P every day also, but I believe I have more potential to earn on gold and silver every day, okay, compared to the P2P market. Because I mean, if I trade P2P with about $2,000, I could be capped at maybe $70 daily profit. That's also cool for P2P. So because you have other people there, you may not earn above some certain amount. So it is fluctuating. But for the gold and silver market, you determine how much you want to earn. All right. Also, you can actually make huge losses. I have to mention that you can actually make huge losses. That's why you have to have good knowledge about precious metals. And you know what? If you want to have good knowledge about precious metals, just make sure you're always on this channel. All right. Always make sure you are here and you are monitoring the prices also. All right. Now here on the Bybit app, all right, I'm just going to get straight to this place where you find trade. When you click on trade down here, there are different things you find. Okay, you can see there's TradeFi, there's options, there's futures, there's spot trading. So we are going to be concerned about this guy called TradeFi. All right. Now, normally you don't have a TradeFi account when you create a Bybit account. So if you click on TradeFi, you'll be asked to open a TradeFi account. It just takes about 5 to 8 minutes to open a TradeFi account. You don't need to submit anything. As long as you have a Bybit account, a TradeFi account will be opened for you. You can now send monies from your spot trading to your TradeFi account. On your TradeFi account, that is where you find several assets that you can trade. But I'm only interested in the metals. I am only interested in the metals. One of the reasons why people fail is because they trade everything. So let me just get straight to how much I've earned. All right. Now, I'm going to click on gold. And on the metals, I'm particularly interested in gold. I'm particularly interested in trading gold. Every day, I trade gold. Gold trades every day from the hours of um, 11 in the night to 10 at night. Okay, so there's only 1 hour break every day between 10 and 11 p.m. at night. That's a 1 hour break. The market will be off at that time. But apart from that, the market is always open from Mondays to Fridays. So on Friday, the market closes and reopens on Monday. Okay, so within this period, let me just share how much I earned. Yeah, I treat this as a business. I treat trading as a business. All right. As a business person, you're supposed to buy low and sell high. If you're watching the price of gold, you understand when it is cheaper. And of course, I've shared the strategy I've been using to trade. So I'm going to click on this area where you find all orders. And of course, when I come to all orders, you find completed orders. Now, listen, if I open, okay, if I let me just go to about 30 days. Let me just go to my 30 days. Yes, 7 days. Let me just go to 30 days. I might not show you everything for 30 days, but let me just go to 30 days. Okay, yeah, the market is really beautiful. You can make good money. You can also lose good money. But listen attentively and watch this video to the end, please, so that you would understand what I'm trying to say. Trading, if you are treating trading like a business, you enjoy it better because you can even close in a loss, but you are still in profit. All right, I'm going to give you an example. For example, I set a target for myself that I want to be earning about $20 every day. Okay, so sometimes I may be trading and I've earned $30, but I open a trade that is now in $3 or $5 loss. I'll close the trade and I've earned $30 plus $5 loss. That means at the end of the day, I've done $25 profit. Okay, because my $30 subtract my $5 loss because I'm tired of trading for that particular day. So if you treat trading like a business, you understand trading, and you don't just trade all the time. You trade at specific times of the day or specific opportunities the day could present. So without talking too much, you can see some of these greens represent profit. This is $8 profit. I just made it today. Today's date is um, the 24th of May of April. Okay, so this is $8 profit I made today. Okay, this morning. This is another $3.9 profit I made this morning. Yeah, there will be losses, so definitely understand that there will be losses. But at the end, if you follow a defined strategy, at the end of the month, okay, at the end of the month, or at the end of the week, in fact, or even at the end of the day, you make more profits than losses. This is $3.9 profit. This is $5.5 profit. So today combined, I've made about $17 profit without any loss. So I will still trade more. So I'll still trade more. If I come down to, this is for yesterday. Yesterday was the 23. I made an $8 loss, another $7 loss. This was me closing. These losses you can see here is because I closed the trade. Okay, I don't want to trade again because I made over 60 something dollar profit yesterday. So I just closed a $15 loss and took $45 profit out of the market. So that same yesterday, you can see I got $11 profit, $14 profit. You can see $9 profit, $8 profit, $8.7 profit, $3.7 loss, $3.6 loss, $7.34 profit, Here is $7.3 profit. Same yesterday, $7.2 profit. Here is another $11 profit. Same yesterday. So if you calculate everything I earned yesterday, you find that it's about $65 profit and about $20 loss. I closed those loss purposely because I mean I don't want to overtrade. Okay, so if I keep going down, you'll be seeing see this are for day before yesterday. There are so many greens than reds. Okay, there are so many greens than red, guys. So many greens, and I've shared several times how you can do this completely by yourself. So if I start going down, there are a lot and a lot to see here. There are a lot and a lot to see here. I've closed profits. I've closed profits in different amounts. Okay, so I finally discovered how I could earn up to $400 in a whole month, and I believe after 2 months I will increase it to maybe $1,000 because I started with maybe 100. I started with $100, and you know, starting with $100, you want to check how it's going to be, and then once you've seen that you are improving, you can improve your capital or improve your lot size. All right. What is the exact strategy I'm using? Many people want to ask. Of course, a businessman trading, what is the exact strategy that you are using? Did you just enter the trade anytime? No, you don't. The 3 trades I've entered this morning, I did not just enter them blindly. There are opportunities I'm always waiting for. I don't want to just start saying all of those things right now, but you can go check out my videos. You know, I talked about that area. I'm going to just share one of such opportunities. It is called the oscillation opportunity. I mean, I don't want to say too much about it. Okay, for example, you can see this trend line on this place. What I want to do right now? I'm going to mark something. So you can see this is I'm drawing a line like this. I'm going to mark this line as, oh, sorry. I'm drawing a line like this. I'm going to leave this line here. I'm going to make the line color yellow, make it thicker also, and lock it up. So I am also going to draw another line down below here. This is because I discovered that okay, let me take it off. I discovered that the price is always resting around this area. Okay, so I'm just going to come here and make it yellow. Also, make it thicker and leave it on this place. Now, the price is certainly going to be coming up and down along this area. Not certainly, but you might discover that the price is going up and coming down along a certain path. That is what you should be waiting out for. So I discovered that the price is always this one. I noticed the price hit this up here, came down, hit this up here, came down, went up here, came down. Now the price is up here. So what I'm basically waiting for is for the price to touch this lower band. Okay, for the price to touch this lower band, anywhere along this lower band, I can enter a trade. Now it doesn't mean I will wait until the price go to this place, until the price starts going up and touch this higher band. No, the moment it just gives me a $4 or $5 or $6 profit, I will take it, or even $1 or $2, I will take it. Just that I may increase my lot size. If I'm getting if it gives me a $3 profit, then it becomes $6 or $9. All right, so that is my strategy. So that is why you can see for many weeks I've been earning huge amount of money when it comes to trading gold and silver daily. All right, so guys, I challenge you to look out for several ways you can earn, or one way you can earn consistently on Bybit app. All right, so you can enjoy it. Now if you want me to be sharing exclusive trading content, you know how to trade, make profits from these things, you can subscribe to the channel. Also join our Telegram channel. Okay, the Bybit team is in charge of that channel, and they drop consistently every day. They drop signals there. I'll also be dropping some gold and silver signals when I'm buying, or the price range I'm looking out to buy. So when the price hits, when it hits that price, you can actually buy at that price. Okay, and that is going to be absolutely amazing. Now, don't forget that you should do your own research. It's not guaranteed income. Uh, it's not get rich quick. Okay, so you must also be aware of the risks, right? But then you don't have to worry, because if you are always studying the price of gold, especially gold, you would always know when it's at a discount, and definitely you want to get into it and get out with some profits. All right, I'm going to leave you guys here, and I'm sure you understood this topic. If you have more questions, you can come down in the comments area and ask me anything. Absolutely, there are other ways you can make money daily from the Bybit app. It can be staking, which I've talked about. I'll talk about staking in another video. That no need to worry about that. Talk about staking in another video. It can be P2P. I've talked about P2P severally. In fact, most of my videos are around P2P. It can be spot trading. I don't really like spot trading. This is because the profits are really small and there's no enjoyment there. Okay, I prefer something huge like the TradeFi Gold. It's encouraging, and you already know that you are trading. All right, I'm going to leave you guys here. I'll see you on another one tomorrow. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you're confused about, and your questions, you can ask them down below in the comment area, and I'll be there to answer.